How to add a Shopify store link to TikTok bio. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Shopify store link in your TikTok bio. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. So in order to add a clickable link of your Shopify store, you first need to switch your personal account to a business account. Tap on three-bar icon on your top right, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Here tap on Account, then tap on Switch to Business Account on the third option. Then do as shown in the screen. Choose any category that you would like to. If you would like to add an email address, you can type in here. If not, you can just skip this process. Once you do so, go back to your page. Now, as you refresh your page, this is a business account. Here you can see you have a business suite right here. In order to add a link, just tap on to Edit Profile. Here under Business Information, you will see an option that says Website. Tap onto it. And it says that you need to have your business account registered. Just tap on Get Started. Check this box and tap on to Register. Once you fill out all this information at the next page, you will be required to enter your other business information as well. Once you do all that, you will be able to add a clickable Shopify store link in your TikTok bio. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.